1915 K 65 horsepower. This is owned by Janice Bryant of Pawnee, Oklahoma. And it's being operated today by Colin Sewell, great-grandson of Kenneth Kelly, right here in Pawnee. So we appreciate this fine engine. It's been out here on the grounds for many, many years and does an extremely amount of work. Hard working. Colin, if you could use that whistle for me. Thank you, guys.
Dale and Cindy Wolf from Cushing, Oklahoma are the owners of the next engine, a 1917 Nichols and Shepard. It is a 1650, 16 horsepower on the drawbar, 50 horsepower on the belt pulley. The tank on the front of the engine above the smoke box is a water tank. Your coal or wood bunkers are carried on the rear of the engine. Again, this is a single cylinder. And Dale has been one of my operators, board members, and workers here for, well, I've been here since 1980, and Dale was here a lot of years before that.
But he was a lot shorter then.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Chad and Anna Kelly from Pawnee. Chad is the engineer on this 1920 50-horse case steam engine. This engine originated in Cushing by the Notenmeyer brothers in the Happy Valley area to the southeast of Cushing. And in 1950 it went to Seminole, and then it was owned by Ross Staggs out of Muskogee, and now then it is owned by Chad Kelly.
Hey Chad, what size is that? It's just big.
This is a Minneapolis engine by the Minneapolis Thrashing Machine Company, I believe. And again, water tank here on the front end. This is a 2890, 28 horsepower drawbar, 90 horsepower on the belt pulley, single cylinder engine. This is a very heavily built engine, and you notice the diameter of the boiler on it is quite large. And this engine also fares from up the road north here at Ralston, Oklahoma. Okay, we have a Rumley engine up next. It is also single cylinder. You did not fill out, where's your brake card? We've got your number, but we don't have the brake card. Where are y'all from? Mowed a lot of hay this time.
That's what my dad had in Kansas, with a sickle mower on the side.
That's called the W safety mower. Okay. Mr. McKnight, y'all are running a little bit late. Okay, Mike McKnight from Mason, Tennessee. That's just up the road from Memphis. And Mike is on a 1912 Gaar Scott, 18 horsepower double. All of the engines that have been coming through have been single cylinder.